Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
If you're a fan of Mediterranean flavors, you're in for a treat today. I'm showing you how to grill sea bream, samak meshwi, the way it's done all along the sun-kissed coasts of the Med. This is simple, rustic, and all about letting the natural flavors shine. First, let's talk fish. Sea bream is a superstar in Mediterranean kitchens. It's got delicate, sweet flesh and cooks up beautifully on the grill. But if you can't find sea bream, snapper or branzino work great too. The key is a fresh, whole fish, cleaned and scaled. Trust me, bones in, skin on, that's where the magic happens. Start by patting your fish dry inside and out. Grab some good olive oil, none of that cheap stuff, and brush it all over the fish. Sprinkle with coarse sea salt, fresh ground black pepper, and a little oregano or thyme. Go classic with slices of lemon and a handful of parsley stuffed inside the cavity for a bright, herbaceous hit. Now the grill. You want it hot. Think high heat like the Mediterranean sun. Oil the grates so the skin doesn't stick. Lay the fish down gently and let it be. Don't poke at it. After about 5 or 6 minutes, you'll see the skin crisp up and the fish will release easily. Carefully flip it over and grill the other side. While that's working, let's talk sides. A little salad of tomatoes, cucumbers, a splash of lemon, and extra virgin olive oil is perfect. Maybe some charred peppers or grilled bread. Keep it simple. This is all about those fresh, honest flavors. Back to the fish. After around 10 to 12 minutes total, your sea bream should be flaky and juicy. Slide it off the grill, drizzle with more olive oil, and hit it with a squeeze of lemon. That aroma, pure Mediterranean magic. Serve it up family style, just how it's done on the coast. Gather everyone around, let them dig in, and don't be shy about using your hands. It's messy, it's fun, and it's the real deal. So next time you want to capture that Mediterranean vibe, try grilling sea bream this way. Simple, soulful, and absolutely delicious. Thanks for hanging out with me. Enjoy your meal and I'll see you next time.
Hungry for something new? We bring you the taste of the Mediterranean and the world beyond. From sun-kissed Greek shores to the spice markets of Beirut, from Italy's cozy kitchens to the heart of California's orchards. Discover recipes that connect cultures and stories. Learn to cook, feel the flavor, and taste the history. Watch the world taste the world, right here. Afsan Farm Media Production, where food meets culture and every dish tells a story. Hungry for something new? We bring you the taste of the Mediterranean and the world beyond. From sun-kissed Greek shores to the spice markets of Beirut, from Italy's cozy kitchens to the heart of California's orchards. Discover recipes that connect cultures and stories. Learn to cook, Feel the flavor and taste the history. Watch the world taste the world, right here. Afsan Farm Media Production, where food meets culture and every dish tells a story.